What's going on, everybody? I am back in Georgia. I was in New Jersey for about a week visiting my family as well as some friends. Went to Seven's Day, and that was an incredible experience. If you guys have the chance to do that or just are in the area next year on July 7th, definitely go and check it out. Like it's awesome. Even if you're just going to the city, it's a fun environment, and there's just cars everywhere, and I'm talking about like quality cars. And we're back in Georgia. It is the summer, it is hot, and right now it is raining. And last night I was just editing the Seven's Day video, and I kind of just pulled an all-nighter, slept like 3 hours in the day just to get some rest, and now gonna work on the GTR. Back at it. It's cool enough to be out in the garage and in the cabin or inside the car, because I have to take the speedo out. Let's get inside the car. Now that I'm inside the car, I have to pretty much remove all these dash components again. I've done it before, so it's just a couple screws to lower this lower panel. Then I will be able to remove this panel. There's screws holding this panel in over here. And then these two screws right here, I should be able to pop it off and then unscrew the cluster. So now I'm just unscrewing 4 screws on the underside of the panel that's under the steering wheel. There's 2 on each side, and then there's 1 in the back, and after you unscrew that one, your panel should pop down freely. There you go. And then for the cluster surround, there is 2 screws on this side, and I'm pretty sure, if I remember correctly, 1 on the other side. And that's all there is for like the bottom piece. And up top there's 1 over here, and then there's 2 in the top section of the bezel, and then there's 1 on the other side, right? So it should be 7 screws in total, and then your cluster bezel should pop out freely, but still have some tension due to the harness attached to the back of it. So now that I got the cluster pulled away from the dash, I'll just have to unclip these connectors. I got the cluster surround out, just push pins or push clips all the way around. And now I'm just gonna remove the cluster itself. So the cluster is now out, and now we just have to take out the speedo cable, and that should just pop out. There we go. Now that we are in the engine bay, it's just these 3 bolts here, and then I can slide out the whole cable assembly. All right, guys, I hope you like, comment, and subscribe for more, and I'll catch you on the next one.